Today we're going to talk about life cycles again. So we did the life cycle of a plant. Remember? It had a seed and then roots and a stem. It grew leaves and flowers, and then some of them grew fruit. And then the bees would spread the pollen and help the flowers. That's the life cycle of plants. Life cycle of people is that we start as babies and then we grow up to be big like you guys. And then you keep growing to be like teenagers, like your brothers and sisters, and then adults like me, your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, all our friends like Claire, Carly, Becca, Rita, Muriel, Tasha, Lindsay. We're all adults. That's all part of our life cycle. We're growing and growing and growing. So plants grow with the seeds. We're going to talk about growing as a butterfly today. Let's get into our book. In the warm weather of spring and summer, butterflies flutter about. These beautiful insects carry pollen, just like the bees did to help the plants grow. But did you know that's only one stage? A butterfly begins as a little tiny egg. Some eggs are round, some are oval, some have little bumps on them called ridges. The female butterfly sticks her eggs onto the leaf very close together because the plant is going to become its food. Remember in Hungry Caterpillar how it had to eat the leaves? Inside the butterfly egg is a new growth. What are those called? You got it, called caterpillars. They're not yet a butterfly. They hatch as a little caterpillar. At first, they're small, little wiggly worms, but then, the caterpillar's job is to eat and eat and eat. They eat so much that soon their skin becomes too tight. Bigger skin, and caterpillar grows, and this happens again. It keeps growing and growing and growing, and sometimes they leave their skin on trees so you can see it when you're out walking. They use bristles, spikes, and smells to scare away their enemies so that the birds don't eat them. The caterpillar is pretending to be a snake here because most animals would be scared of a snake. When the caterpillar is finished growing, he's finished eating, he will form what's called a chrysalis. We've also called it a cocoon before. Very slowly makes a hard shell around it called a chrysalis, and it's green so that the other animals think it's a leaf and they don't eat it, because if they knew it was a caterpillar, they might eat it as a snack, and he doesn't want to get eaten. Inside the chrysalis, something amazing happens. The caterpillar dissolves, so it kind of melts into like a soupy mixture, and then it starts to grow other things, legs, wings, antenna, other body parts. It comes out different colors. What do you think it's growing into? You got it. It's growing into a beautiful butterfly. As an adult, it pushes through and it splits open its cocoon, and then a butterfly appears. It takes a while for the butterfly to be able to fly because its wings are wet when it comes out. A butterfly has 4 wings. So look at my beautiful butterfly. It looks like it has 2, but it actually has 4 because it has 2 on top and 2 on bottom. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, you couldn't see that one. Let's count him. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. Some wing patterns allow butterflies to hide, and others have special markings that make it look like eyes. Butterflies only fly when they are warm. If it's too cold, they sit in the sun. Wow. Just like bees, butterflies spread nectar from flowers. They eat the nectar. They spread pollen from one flower to another so that you can make more flowers and our fruit will grow. Some species of butterflies, like the monarch, live a few months, and some live for a couple of weeks. During their lives, they lay more eggs on more leaves so that the whole cycle can start again. So before a butterfly goes away, it lays more eggs, which turn into more caterpillars, which turn into more chrysalis, and then beautiful butterflies. Thanks for listening, guys. Bye.